blades. Come on in to the warm and the dry. Just want to do a little update today, really. Show you where we're going, what I'm up to today. Got a few things I got on the cards. One of them is very interesting, so I'll turn you around because you don't want to look at me. Let's have a look. As you can see, doing a couple of different things at the moment. Next thing, don't know if you guys have seen this. This is the latest knife I've made. Now I wanted to go something different really on this one. I've gone for red leather, and this is a gold, 24 karat gold logo I've done. And then obviously the knife, there we are. I know a lot of people have liked that, and that's, oh, it's lovely. And I'm not doing a stupid finish on the blade because it's going to be used, so it's going to get scratched, so let's be sensible about it, shall we? So there we are, that's that one, which I like. Right, then this, here we go. You've seen this one, I'm sure you have. If you haven't, that's what I made. Look back through and you'll see me doing raindrop Damascus on one of my previous videos. Now that's really cool, I like that. So what I'm thinking is, the support I've been getting from everyone is fantastic. I'm not going to over milk it, but it has been. So, what I'm thinking, as I've had so much support, and I enjoy doing it if I'm honest, right? Why don't I do a Damascus giveaway at 1,000 subs? Now we're at 350 odd now, which is, you know, it's just numbers now, isn't it? It's ridiculous. So do you think we can do it? If you do, put a comment down in there. Any advice on how to get more? And if you want to share it, you know, if you fancy sharing this video and helping me out, you know, because it means the quicker you get to 1,000, you've got a chance. But I might do some smaller giveaways as well. You know, maybe we'll do some in between that. Maybe we'll do like some scale giveaways and, you know, a few bits and pieces, because I enjoy doing it. It's good fun. So let me know what you think about that anyway. And let's get on with some new work, shall we? See you soon. Right, we have got a problem with this samurai knife. We've got a split that runs all the way down through. Don't know if you can see it. So basically this knife is non-functional. It's not going to do much good. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to finish it because why not? You can see the samurai line. It looks really good. So I think it's fine there. It's just, and I'm not going to take this down any further. So anyway, what we're going to do now, I'm just going to finish it up on that belt there. Now that belt there is a cork belt. So what you do all your main finishing, as you know, on this one here, which I'm using. Hopefully do upgrade soon. And I'll go down to like a, I don't know, maybe a 320 grit on that one, and you take the bevel down, and then I'll move on to this one and use the cork belt to get a nice finish, and then I'll buff it on my wheel. We'll have a look. There you go, guys. That's about as high as I'm going to go on this. So what we'll do now, we'll dip this in the ferric acid. We'll have a good look at it, and then what we'll do, we'll clean all this up, and we'll shove a handle on it. Because why not? There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, all the new subscribers, how are you? So all you can see of what I'm doing here, and this is my daughter's knife. I made it for her 18th birthday. But she didn't like it because I had like a Scandi grind on it, and that's what she wanted originally. I didn't think it would cut properly, but she wanted it changed. So you'll have to excuse it because it's only a rough job, but I've reprofiled the blade to make it, you know, nice and thin for her. I'm just going to polish it up so that it slides nicely. And this is stainless. I made this one out of stainless, so this will be ready for her again. So let's crack on, shall we? Do you know what? It's not perfect, but I think that's going to do. Oh, I'm not going to overdo it. This isn't meant to be spectacular, but we'll clean up the other side, and I'll come back. So nearly there now, guys. So I'll just finish this up, do the handle, we'll have a look at it. See you in a minute. Here we are. Right. Have a look, shall we? So like I say, it's not perfect, so don't criticise me too much because it's a reasonably rushed job, but there we go. So a little kitchen knife again, reprofiled. Pretty, isn't it? What do you reckon? All right. I think we should go and give it a test, shall we? Come on, man. Right, everybody. Oh, here we go. Strawberry. No pressure whatsoever. Beautiful. Way! I'll cut a strawberry. But onion. Let's just cut that actually. Yay! Cuts onions, courgettes. There we go. I think she'll be happy with that. Thanks for joining me again, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, like and comment if you want. Bye!